Get a closer picture of him.
Well, if he's still there, he's wet.
It's okay. He doesn't care, huh?
Hey, he's there. Look at him.
Yeah, and it's like we gotta turn it and come back. Yeah.
Gonna try and keep to this side where we don't spook him when I turn. Nose it right on toward him. That way you get a good shot of it.
Yeah, I want to get like from his nose.
All right, bring it a little bit past him. He's kind of poised to where he can run right now, so I'm gonna try and.
It would be nice to get him running.
Give him a little
anyways.
distance, you know. And there he stay there. Look at him. Don't not care.
He wants pictures. He's a photogenic gator.